Why good leaders don't micromanage? Before we answer the question, ano nga ba yung micromanaging? Ito yung tipong bawat galaw ng tao, pantay sarado. O dapat ganito, dapat ganyan, mali yan, ulitin mo, gawin mo to, gawin mo yan. It shows na parang hindi ka nagtitiwala sa team mo para hawak mo pa rin lahat kahit may team ka na. And when you do that, dalawang bagay ang mangyayari. Employees lost confidence kasi feeling nila kahit anong gawin nila, mali pa rin. Yung motivation nila mabagsak and it may cause a wall or mag-resign sila. You lost time kasi imbis na mag-focus sa growth, nakatutok ka pa rin sa mga maliliit na bagay na ubos oras mo sa maliit na detalye. At the end of the day, hindi ka lang napapagod, pati team mo napapagod din sa iyo. At kapag ganon, walang growth na mangyayari, pareho kayo ng team mo ma-stuck sa same cycle. You should guide your team para maging confident at independent. Because the more you trust and empower people, the more they grow. And the more your business grows with them. Because leadership isn't about control. It's about creating leaders who can stand on their own. That's how you build a team that you can rely on.